Welcome to my channel, Sunshades TV. Alright, right here I got a 2000 and, what is it, a 2000, I forgot, or whatever it is, BMW. I repaired the headliner. You can see in the other video where I peeled it and showed you how it looked like. Now it's glued all back up, looks back brand new. So yeah, this is a BMW 328i, and I forgot the year. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, here it was, 2010. There you go, 2010 BMW. So yeah, sunroof headliner repair. You can see it right there. Cool. Alright, that should do it for the video. Thank you.